Battery Guyz.
Yes, sir. I was wondering, do you have a 12-volt, 12 AH battery?
A 12 volt. What type of battery, ma'am?
A 12-volt, 12 AH battery. It goes in like a riding toy.
No, man, we sure don't. We don't sell that type of battery. I suggest either calling Battery Source or Batteries Plus. They sell those type of batteries.
Okay, I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you for the call, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Battery
Battery Guyz.
Hey, man, I was wondering if you guys do free battery tests.
We do.
Okay, well, I got a Ford Ranger. About 4 months ago, I was up there and you tested it, and because it's old, about 4 years old. Yesterday, I noticed it started tagging, so
I remember you, and I got you another battery. Yeah, like I called you like a week later, so I said, hey, I got that battery for you. Remember that?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do. I'm still broke, trying to keep food on the table.
Okay.
And, I don't know if my starter is dragging or if it's my battery. So.
Yes. Okay.
I'm gonna bring it up there to you probably within the next, I think, 30 minutes.
Okay. All right. Sounds good, sir.
Hey, man, you did a good job last time. Been praying about it. If I give me a battery, I'm coming to you probably because I'm right down the road from you.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for coming back to me then.
Yes, sir. I'll see you shortly.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.